This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom plus bonus room home, ideally situated in a convenient location. Step inside and be greeted by a bright and open floor plan that invites natural light to flood the space. The main level also features an updated kitchen with newer appliances, a large island, and ample cabinetry, making meal preparation a joy. All rooms are generously sized, offering plenty of space for both relaxation and entertainment. As you ascend to the second floor, you will find all 3 bedrooms conveniently located together. The spacious primary bedroom is complete with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath featuring a luxurious whirlpool tub and walk-in shower. Additionally, this home offers a large bonus room with a closet that could easily serve as a 4th bedroom, providing versatility to accommodate your changing needs. Outside, you'll appreciate the tranquility of the nice deck, perfect for simply unwinding after a long day. You can enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Don't miss the opportunity to make this wonderful property your new home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.